Take a look around. Hey guys, look at this. Humongous. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Doing great.
This is so cool. Oh, wow. That is awesome. That is so crazy.
How long have you had your bed?
Did you design it?
Yep.
Sweet. Hey guys, I'm with the owner of this lovely sweet ride. Look at that. And he's gonna tell us the story of how he come up with this idea. Insane, but I mean, it's so cool idea.
So the whole bike is themed on Second Amendment. If you'll notice, my highway pegs are pistols. All the bolts are covered with spent shell casings. So the concept for the trailer was to make it into a bullet. This is built to scale. It is the same. It's 24 inches in diameter, 5 foot 8 inches in length. Built on a 185 grain hollow point 45 ACP bullet with the sliding door in the back.
You can see that. And how long did you have this done? Totally like come out with this one.
So a year and a half ago, I finished it. It took 6 months to design it and build it.
So you're the one who built this
Yes.
one? Oh my gosh. And that's such an insane way of building. Like, what is this out of?
It's actually built out of 24-inch HVAC tubing for commercial AC systems.
What makes you like decide to like have this kind of design? This is so like way beyond imagination.
It was a long time trying to figure out how to what to base this on. I tried 55-gallon drums that didn't work.
Yeah.
Looked at a lot of other concepts, but this actually turned out to be the best answer.
So you must be so happy with this.
Pretty cool. It's pretty proud. I don't take it out very often.
I'm sure.
This seemed like the perfect event for it.
Yeah, it is. It is very. It's like whenever like people walk, they won't miss this one because this is cool.
And my motorcycle is a 24 Harley Davidson CVO Limited, 2014, and it's got 83,000 miles on it.
Oh wow.
So I've ridden a lot.
Yeah. So
49 states.
Right? Wow, 49 states. How insane is that one? But it's awesome. So
Thank you.
thank you very much, sir, for sharing your the story. Let's take a look at different location. Let's go the other way. Let's check it out.